So Appsvillage is really about real estate, but not the real estate that everyone knows, which is buildings and houses. We're about the most expensive real estate in the world, which is the mobile home screen. If small medium business can put his app, can put his product on a mobile home screen in front of the eyes of his customers, he will get 4 times more views. He will get 300% more conversions on its offering. Bottom line, users, customers like apps because they are convenient, are faster, and they have superior experience. Here is the problem. For SMB, it's a science fiction. Small medium business cannot get its own app. It's very expensive. It will cost them between $20,000 to $40,000. They will need expertise like developers, UI, UX, QA, QC, etc. They will need to spend between 6 to 9 months on that. And even if they have an app, how will they market it? Here's where we come to the scene. We are a SaaS platform that allows every small, medium business to create and market its own app. We literally automated all the development of the app, all the UI, all the UX, all the branding. We do it in less than a minute. So bottom line, and small, medium business can have an app in less than a minute rather than 6 to 9 months. He will pay for that $20 a month rather than $20,000 an app. And he has all the marketing automation rather than to use his third-party agencies, which are very expensive. In the app, we allow them to sell a full system of payment integration. You can sell your products. We allow them to make coupons and amazing graphics that he can use and make it in seconds. He can have cashback there. He can have loyalty cards. He can make ads on Facebook in 2 clicks without onboarding on Facebook, and a lot of other tools to grow its business fast. In Australia specifically, you have more than 2 million small medium businesses that strive for this digital tool to grow their business. They strive to be on the same level of marketing like McDonald's, Starbucks, and Zara. So the way that we make money is very easy. We know how to acquire SMBs and convince them to onboard on our platform in less than a minute. They pay us $20 a month or $180 a year, and they stay with us and they grow their business. It's not a question if we'll make money or not. We're already generating revenues, very nice revenues, and we have a very fast growth. So as an investor, he's investing in a growing company, a revenue generating, than only on a vision itself.
You know, the small medium enterprise market has a problem, which Appsvillage solves. The problem is that on one hand, they have a need of a business, and on the other hand, they do not have the money and the resources and the time to invest in order to get the top class capabilities that they need. And we have seen multiple companies like Wix and Fiverr and other companies solving this in a SaaS model and becoming $1 billion companies because they solve a real problem. We know that also that the traditional providers of our services have real challenge to deal with the need to serve the SMEs without charging them a lot of money. So when someone is coming with such a platform and solve this and executes well, this can become a really big business. And so if you think about that, all the other needs, or a lot of the other needs of the SMEs have been solved. HR, finance, internet, website, etc. The digital app and digital marketing has not been solved, and Appsvillage is the only company that actually addresses it. And so we have a huge potential here, and I believe it will reach $1 billion company.
For sure, we'll use some of the funds to improve the offering, to improve the product. But the brilliant thing, the amazing thing here, we know exactly what is the customer acquisition cost and how much revenue we'll make on each customer. Actually, we see ourselves as the Xero for the marketing. Xero is a great company that offers financial services for the small medium businesses in a low cost. We do the same for the marketing for the small medium businesses.
You know what I like about the Appsvillage team is that along with the hunger, which is typical to startup companies, it actually has the right skill and experience to actually make it a very successful company. And it's especially around three major categories. One is experience in establishing, growing, and create shareholder value in startups. We have quite a few people in the executive team and in the board who have done it before. Raised money, initiated startups, grew them into successful companies, and created a lot of money for the investors. This is number one. Number two is a lot of experience in SaaS model companies. We have people that are experts in how to reduce the cost of acquisition, in how to increase the lifetime value. This is something that you learn over time, and we have the right people with experience. And the third category of experience is understanding business strategy, monetization strategy, investment strategy, partnership strategies, and how larger companies operate. So if you combine this experience with the hunger of the team, that's a very good team.